Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to connect iPhones with your iTunes when the iTunes is not connecting, not configured with your iPhones. Right now, see guys, this iPhone, when we connect, charging sign is indicating on especially here as we see right now, but if I disconnect and now see it once again if I connect, but iTunes is completely not configured, or yes, this iTunes is not a proper functioning. What may be reasons? Let's understand. See guys, when I go for energy administrations, this iTunes, why it's not connecting? So if you would like to repair of this iTunes or you would like to fix this iTunes, how do you do that? Yes, this can be possible by the easy way. We will go for here, run as administrations, that is a 3U tool guys. See, still it's connected, but however it's not working, so just we will, now see this 3U tool is also not working properly. So just we will click on this when we connect an any 3U to any iPhone, so that is not a connecting with when we plug. See guys, disconnect, and if I connect here, now it's waiting, and of course it will give you an error. This will not be connected here. See, I would like to show you. See here, not connecting. See, so we have option here, toolbox. In toolbox we have options, that is a utility. Here we have options that repair drivers. Just hit this one. So we have a detail. Maybe especially this iPhone support beta version. Sorry, I'm the beta versions that is not installed. This 64-bit is not installed, or Apple mobile device support is not installed. So this can be a reason here. So just we will go for repair it. Let's see what will happen. Still I am connected. Let's see what will happen. Let me the comment. Now see, both has been installed. Now it's saying that confirmations, we can uninstall this, that uninstall the old driver file that is stored in the system. So just we will go for uninstall it. Let's see what will happen. Now see, it's indicating, just we will go for trust. So now we will have to go for make it a screen passcode. Now it's successfully uninstalled. Now just we will go for confirm, and now this iTunes came here guys. What do you say? So how easily you can repair of any iTunes. Don't worry if your iTunes is freezing, your iTunes is not working properly functional, or your iTunes is not connecting with your device. Now what you say, that it will be now see all the detail cam here spontaneously. Of course, if I disconnect and let me disconnect, let me go for energy administrations once again, and what will happen, it's asking now your the previous iTunes installation must be removed before connecting. You would like to remove it now? Yes, we would like to. So now see here, it's removing, and the new one will be especially installed here. Why? Because we have no other option. We can cancel it also, but when we cancel, so then it will be a freeze for time being. So that's why guys here. Now see, yes, now this I do. So this is all about in this video tutorial. How to like this tutorial, and if it has the benefit to you in any way, then please don't forget like, subscribe, and share of these contents, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make such as informative videos guys. So thank you very much in touch. Have a great time. Bye bye.